Begin by sliding the safety clip onto each end of the beam. Then, stand your uprights apart, the length of the beams being used. Next, insert the beam into the holes at the height you would like your shelf to be. Hammer firmly downward onto each end of the beam to lock the beam into place. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Lay your wire decks into place on each shelf. Action Wholesale Products has been the leading provider of industrial warehouse storage solutions to the Southwest United States for nearly 40 years. Though we keep our 40,000 square foot warehouse well stocked with only high quality products manufactured to the most stringent specifications, we work diligently to keep our prices competitive and pass the savings on to you, our loyal customers. Give us a call at 800-966-3999 or feel free to stop by to see everything for yourself.